Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add new item to a drop-down list box in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select a drop-down menu list. Now I'll add here new item. Simply select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this Prepare From option. Select. Now select right button for Properties and simply go Option. Now click on this item list option and type your item name. Make it export below, not necessary, and add. And see this new item already added. Also add another item. Yeah. Now select add. Also you can organize this list and make it up. Now simply select columns and preview and see this new item already added here. Yeah, in this way you can add new item. Also you can delete new item. Select properties. Here you will find this delete option. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.